So I'm going to start helping with this story. So first sentence, ad Europam navigo, tota familio navigat. So the first thing I do is identify the verb, navigo. And so that says, I sail. And where do I sail? I sail to Europe. That's an accusative. Next part is navigat, is he, she, or it sails. And I have to look for a nominative. I do have a nominative, the entire family. So I sail to Europe, the entire family sails. Natai, nawem, noem. So again, they prepare. Do I have a nominative for they? I do. A nominative right here. The sailors. The sailors prepare. What do they prepare? The direct object. They prepare the ship. Magnam portamus. So magnam pecuniam ad Europam portamus. My verb is we. That amus means we carry. So I already have a subject, so I find my direct objects. We carry great money to Europe. That ad takes the accusative, to Europe. Quibum non paramus. So go to my verb. We prepare, and I have an adverb here. We do not prepare food, quod, because on the ship is an ablative, and in can be translated in or on. On the ship, the food is good. Remember, S takes nominative on both sides. Moving on to the next sentences. I have magnas undas spectamus, sed aquam planam non magnas undas ama. So start with my first verb. First verb, spectamus. Again, always never translate an accusative before you translate your verb. So I see these two accusatives here. I have to hold before I translate them. I have to translate the verb first. We watch the large waves. But, and again, hold off on translating these accusatives. Go all the way to the verb and translate that first. You gotta wait. You can't translate accusatives until you translate a verb. But we love flat water, not large waves. Ad insulam claram Britanniam. Again, do not translate accusatives before you translate the main verb. Navigamus. We sail to the famous island Britain. In Britannia familia clara spectat. So I always look at my verb first. Spectat. It's a he, she, it. I have a nominative here that will match that. Both third singular. The family looks at famous houses in Britain. This takes an ablative. Then ruinas romanas in Britannia. Remember, don't translate accusatives until you translate the verb. I watch Roman ruins in Britain. This would be a circle. So, then I look at my verb. Navigat, third singular. The entire family sails to Gaul or France, either one. In Gaul, this is an ablative. There's not a queen. Remember, S takes nominative on both sides. But the family looks at many pictures. Ronas Ramos in Gallia, remember, go to your verb first. Don't translate these accusatives. And so that would be here. Hold off. I see Roman ruins in Gaul. Then, remember, I reuse this, and I give you the verb. We go to Germany and to Austria. These are accusatives here. So the family, and go all the way to the verb, looks at pictures and statues in Germany and in Austria. Notice how I have to go all the way to my verb before I translate those accusatives. But I watch Roman ruins. Again, verb before the accusative. Then, go to your verb. We go to Italy. In Italy, the entire family looks at Roman ruins. In the last sentence, don't get in the trap. These are accusatives. Go to the verb. I look at queens, pictures, statues, and new lands. But I love my verb here. I love Roman ruins. So hopefully you found that helpful. Volete omnes.